Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2e Review 2026. Is it worth the investment? /N/N for audiophiles and music lovers, finding the perfect wireless headphones can be a daunting task. With so many options available, it's easy to get lost in the sea of noise-canceling earbuds and Bluetooth speakers. But what if you're looking for something more? Something that combines style, sound quality, and innovative technology to create an immersive listening experience. /N/N. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2e. These headphones are not just a pair of wireless earbuds, but a statement piece. With their sleek design and premium materials, they're sure to turn heads wherever you go. /N/N. But let's dive deeper into what makes them tick. Shall we? /N/N deep dive. Next 1,000 words. /N/N. The Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2e is the second generation of the popular wireless headphones from B&W. Known for their exceptional sound quality and sleek design, the new iteration boasts a more refined look with a focus on comfort and durability. /N/N. One of the standout features of the PX7 S2e is its ability to produce high-quality audio that rivals traditional wired headphones. With 24-bit/48K Hz resolution and aptX adaptive technology, you can expect crystal-clear sound and seamless connectivity. /N/N. But what really sets these headphones apart is their innovative noise-canceling system. Using a combination of adaptive noise-canceling ANC and passive noise isolation, the PX7 S2e can effectively block out background noise and distractions, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your music. /N/N. The B&W PX7 S2e also comes with a range of advanced features that make it an attractive option for audiophiles. These include wireless charging, voice assistant integration, and customizable sound settings via the Bowers Wilkins mobile app. /N/N. But don't just take our word for it. Let's take a closer look at some of the key specs and features. /N/N 24-bit/48K Hz resolution, /N aptX adaptive technology, /N adaptive noise canceling ANC and passive noise, wireless charging, /N voice assistant, customizable sound settings via mobile app, /N now. I know what you're thinking, are these headphones worth the investment? Let's take a closer look at some of the pros and cons. /N pros, /N exceptional sound, sleek design and premium, innovative noise cancelling system, /N advanced features like wireless charging and voice assistant integration, /N cons, /N expensive price. Some users may find the fit a bit limited battery life compared to some other headphones on the market, /N resolution. Last 100 words. /N. So, are the Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2e worth the investment? In my opinion, yes. While they do come with a premium price tag, their exceptional sound quality and innovative features make them a worthwhile purchase for anyone serious about their music. /N for the best price. Click the link in the description to get your pair today. /N note. The prices mentioned may vary based on the seller and availability.